Hi friend, it's Lulu here, welcoming you back to our cozy corner of the internet where we transform tiny into trendy. Today we are diving into part 3 of our 300 square feet small apartment series, and trust me, you don't want to miss the practical magic we've got in store for you. In this episode, we are getting creative with space-saving furniture that's as stylish as it is smart. We'll splash some color on your walls with tips that make your space look bigger and brighter, but that's not all. We've got greenery that grows not out and design tricks that will make your small space the envy of all your friends. So hit that play button and let's get started. And if you love what you see, smash that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay up to date with all our compact living tips and tricks. Got a small space dilemma or a clever solution of your own? Comment below with all about sharing the love and ideas here. Let's make the most of our small spaces together. Ready, set, decorate. In recent years, the trend of living in small apartments has gained significant traction, particularly in urban areas where space is at a premium. As the population in the city continues to rise, more and more individuals and families are opting for compact living spaces. This shift necessitated the adoption of practical solutions to make the most of limited square footage. Living in a 300 feet apartment, for instance, requires a heightened level of creativity and organization to maximize the utility of every inch. One of the foundational stages for thriving in a small apartment is the intelligent use of multifunctional furniture, pieces that serve multiple purposes, such as sofa that converts into a bed or a dining table with built-in storage are invaluable. These versatile furniture items not only save space but also enhance the overall functionality of the living area. By integrating such solutions, residents can ensure that their small apartments remain both stylish and practical. Creativity in design and layout is equally important. Residents should consider unconventional layouts and decor that maximize space without compromising comfort. For instance, incorporating foldable furniture or sliding doors can free up valuable floor space. Thoughtful placement of furniture and decor can also create designated zones within the apartment, such as separate areas for sleeping, dining, and working, thereby adding to the functionality of the space. As we delve into the specific solutions discussed in this series, it becomes evident that small space living, while challenging, can be incredibly rewarding. By embracing creativity, organization, and multifunctional furniture, residents can transform their 300 square feet apartments into efficient, comfortable, and stylish homes. Maximizing space in a 300 square feet apartment often requires innovative solutions, and one of the most effective strategies is the creative use of vertical space. By thinking vertically, you can significantly increase storage and functionality, making the apartment feel larger and more organized. Wall-mounted shelves are a versatile solution that can be installed in various rooms, including the living area, kitchen, and bathroom. These shelves not only provide storage but also allow you to display decorative items, adding a personal touch to your space. When installing well-mounted shelves, ensure they are securely anchored to the wall studs to support the weight and the items you plan to store. Lighting plays a crucial role in making a small space feel larger and more inviting. In a 300 square feet apartment, optimizing both natural and artificial lighting can transform the environment, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. To maximize natural light, consider using share window treatments that allow sunlight to filter through while maintaining privacy. Light colored curtains or blinds can also help reflect natural light, brightening the room. Strategically placing mirrors opposite windows can amplify the amount of natural light in the space, creating an illusion of depth and openness. Artificial lighting is equally important in small apartments, where every corner must be well lit to avoid the cramped feeling. Implementing a layered lighting approach can significantly improve the ambience. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination and can be achieved through ceiling fixtures or wall-mounted lights. That lighting is essential in areas where specific activities are performed, such as reading or cooking. This can be accomplished with desk lamps under cabinet lights or floor lamps. Lastly, accent lighting adds dimension and highlight, particularly features or decor elements such as artwork or shelving and can be achieved with spotlights or LED strips. Creating a personalized living space within a 300 square feet apartment requires a careful balance of aesthetics and functionality. Infusing your personality into your small apartment can transform it from a mere living area into a true reflection of your style and taste. One effective way to begin is by choosing a cohesive color scheme. Selecting colors that resonate with you can significantly influence the ambience of your space. Whether you opt for calm, neutral, or vibrant hues, a consistent color palette will create a harmonious environment that feels inviting and personalized. Incorporating personal mementos is another powerful method to make your small apartment feel uniquely yours. Displaying cherished items such as photographs, souvenirs, or art pieces can bring life into your space and evoke fond memories. These personal touches not only add character but also serve as conversation starters for guests. However, it is essential to strike a balance between displaying meaningful items and avoiding clutter, which can overwhelm a small space. In our exploration of innovative solutions for maximizing space in 300 square feet apartments, we have delved into various strategies that highlight the importance of creativity and adaptability. Each aspect discussed, from multifunctional furniture to efficient storage solutions, underscores the potential of transforming a compact living area into a comfortable and functional home. Moreover, embracing minimalism can significantly contribute to the functionality of a small apartment by prioritizing essential items and decluttering regularly. You create a sense of openness and tranquility. This minimalist mindset can only maximize this physical space, but also foster a more mindful and intentional way of living. Adapting to a small space lifestyle is not without its challenges, but it also offers unique rewards. The process of designing and organizing a compact living area encourages ingenuity, resourcefulness, and a deeper appreciation for the things you choose to keep in your home. Each decision made to optimize space contributes to a personalized, efficient, and inviting living environment. We encourage you to embrace the small space lifestyle, leveraging the stages and ideas shared in this series to create a home that reflects your personality and meets your needs. Share your own small space solution and experiences with us and join a community of individuals who are transforming the way we think about compact living. Your insights and innovations can inspire others to turn their limited space into a limitless opportunity for creativity and comfort. And that's a wrap on part 3 of our 350 small apartments adventure. Lulu here, hoping you found some inspiration to make your compact space more functional and fabulous. Before you go, if you enjoyed our journey through the world of practical solutions for small spaces, give us a thumbs up. Share this video with anyone who's looking to maximize their mini abode. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more tiny living tips that pack a punch. Remember, your space may be small, but your creativity is limitless. So keep dreaming big and decorating small. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on today's episode or share your own small space victory. It's all about community and collaboration here. Stay tuned for more, and until next time, keep making your small space a big deal. Happy decorating. Lolo sign off. Thank you. Bye.